data infrastructures 1209. And this is going to be my first video for showing you the first project we did. Let's go over some of the questions. What do you think of JavaScript? I love it. I love coding. It's just who I am. It was kind of interesting because I've always coded in C++, but I guess I'm getting used to it a little bit. It didn't take me long to actually make a program, but apparently I did it a little bit wrong, so I had to redo it to convert with the flowchart because I just had the if-else statements a little bit different, but everything was pretty easy for me when it came down to it. What did I choose for my theme? I chose my mornings at Best Buy when I open. They open at 9, well, I have to get there at 9:30 or 9. And I usually have a little bit to do. So, this, shows you a little bit of what I had to do. At least in the morning until we open the doors to customers. So it's a fun job. How do I think I'll extend the project a little bit further? Well, I can easily tell you a little bit more about my day at Best Buy, selling to customers, some of the requirements that we have, some of the paperwork we have to do, some of the just stuff we have to do during the day other than just help customers. It took me almost a 24-hour period to do this. I got home from work last night and am working off about 4 hours of sleep today. I actually got out of work because I got so little sleep trying to get my homework done. But I'm really understanding JavaScript just so much more. I've never seen it. I've never played with it. I've always only ever played with HTML and CSS. And as you can see, I'm huge into commenting out my code, putting notes. This was huge with my other teachers at the other college I went to, so you'll always see this in all my code. I'm really big into making it look neat and readable because if I can't read it, then you can't read it, nor can my teacher. Also, another big thing I'm into is keeping it open so then somebody can also change it if they need. That's one big thing I learned from my old teacher, Miss Olson, for C++, is if you keep code kind of open, then someone can easily take that code and manipulate it for something totally different. It's pretty simple. I love coding. It took me a little bit. I had to have another guy help me explain what I was doing a little bit, but I ended up following the flowchart pretty well, and also the pseudocode. I hope you like it. Thanks.